In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Gemini to analyze comments from social media. I'm using YouTube today, but you can use any social media platform for this if you've got an API. So this is a campaign that BMW ran on the i5. I'm just going to pull the comments out of this and I'm going to analyze them, and this is going to be what our result looks like, but let me show you how I did this. The first thing I'm going to do is get the YouTube comments out of the YouTube API. I put a video up above of how to do this. It's fairly simple. All you need to do is get an API key and all you need to add a playlist, and I put the code for this down below, but reference the video if you want to know how to pull these comments. Once the comments are pulled, we can then pass them over to Gemini, and this is how the full data set of comments looks. What we can do is we can get more information around each comment from the YouTube API by just adding it up here, but again, that's in the video about how to pull a playlist of comments. So these are the comments, what they look like. I'm just taking the comment here and I'm going to change this into Markdown because the Gemini large language model likes everything in a text string format. So I'm just doing Markdown text equals comments underscore df, which is the data frame dot comment dot to Markdown. And I'm going to inject that into the prompt down below. I just need to authenticate myself in Google Cloud so I can use Gemini on the cloud. You can sign up for a free trial and this will get you a long way there, but useful if you have a Google Cloud account. Just to show you what this Markdown looks like, I'm just going to show you here. So this is one big text string, but it has all the comments we were looking at in it. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to construct my prompt. I'm setting a role as a social media marketer in BMW. I'm giving it some context about what the campaign is, and I want to assess the sentiment of positive, negative, and neutral comments, and I want it to provide some comments to back up its points. And from the analysis, I want to suggest 3 things we should do, 3 things we should stop doing, and then I'm adding the Markdown text, and that works because I have this prompt in an F string. And the F string allows me to pull in everything in one big string. So to set this up in a function, I'm setting my Vertex AI project and location, I'm passing it the model, and then I'm passing it the prompt and a couple of boilerplate settings. All this is in GitHub, but this is really the output we're looking for. So this gives me my positive sentiment percentage, gives me some example comments to back that up. Then it gives me my negative sentiment percentage, some comments to back that up, and really good points in here. Also for neutral, and then it gives me some recommendations for future campaigns, what I should keep doing and what I should avoid doing. I think this is a really good way to start assessing social media campaigns, as you can pull in all the data from multiple platforms. As I said, the code for this is sitting on my GitHub, a link to that's down below. Hope you found this useful. Follow for more.